G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 18, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. You can see here on our daily chart, the CCI 1500 has been in a bullish movement at the moment and it's well above its moving average. Also, it's broken through this minor resistance and also this, but importantly, this major resistance. So it's creating new highs since that previous period back in February this year. So it's gone to new highs on that pretty strong bull bar. Now you'll notice on the hourly chart as well, that's also the CCI 1500 moving average is also in an uptrend, so it's ripe for taking long trades. And what I've got here as well is the alligator strategy as well as some fractals to understand how to trade that properly. Reference to some of the strategy links in my playlist. But basically the way it works is when the daily's in an uptrend with a moving average on the CCI or moving average, and the hourly is also in an uptrend. You take trades when as you can see there, when the bar breaks above the fractals, like it did in that instance there. That would have been the first point of entry back there. Now you can exit the trade depending on your risk profile. You can exit the trade when it breaks through one of the alligator lines, being the lips, the teeth, or the jawline. So you could have possibly exited there, or you may want to still be in a trade depending on your exit strategies. And again, reference some of my videos to get some ideas whether you'd get out at 5% gain or whatever your risk profile is. But at this point, importantly, it's broken up through this key resistance area, and you would have entered the most recent trades based on this long positioning. When it broke up through that fractal on that bar there, that would have been an ideal entry level, and you'd still be in a trade because it hasn't broken down through the fractals or even any of the alligator lines. So at the moment, it's looking pretty good. So we'll see where it's going to go. In terms of, so you can see there, I've just, let me draw a Fibonacci extension to see where it may head. So go from that low there. We probably would have done it at that level there. Of course, it's not going to work now, but it's a bit slow in responding to some of these sometimes. Let me just redraw that. That's why I like drawing these ahead of time, because it saves me and it saves you waiting. There we go. Okay, so it's if we had done an extension from that point, the first touch point would have been 50% level, which had hit there, rebounded a bit, then it's gone up again, and now it's reaching the 100% extension of that range there in the Fibonacci extension level. So look, it's hard to tell exactly where it's going to stop, but it may go as high as the 161%, which is around the $20.55 level at that point there. So again, I'm not predicting where it's going to stop. It's just based on where Fibonacci likes to leave it. Fibonacci is always good in hindsight. I don't like using too much in terms of predicting final estimates. Anyway, to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, if the price goes against you, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel, and see you in a future video.